1. Chickens, one of the most widely domesticated animals in human history, have played a pivotal role in both nutrition and agricultural economies. 1. Their influence spans dietary patterns, medical research, and socio-economic structures worldwide. 1. Studies have consistently highlighted their contributions to human health, particularly through high biological value proteins, essential amino acids, and micronutrient content. 2. Chicken meat, a staple protein source, has been extensively studied for its impact on different age groups. 2. Its nutrient composition varies with preparation methods, breeds, and environmental conditions. 2. The lean meat of chicken contains high levels of protein, low fat, and significant amounts of essential vitamins and minerals such as B12, niacin, and selenium. 3. In infants and young children, chicken serves as an ideal weaning food due to its soft texture and digestibility. 3. Scientific studies indicate that early introduction of poultry meat helps in reducing the risk of iron deficiency anemia. 3. Research published in the Journal of Pediatric Gastroenterology and Nutrition demonstrates that infants introduced to chicken-based meals have higher hemoglobin levels compared to those on plant-based weaning foods. 4. Adolescents require increased protein intake for rapid growth spurts and muscle development. 4. Chicken provides a high-quality protein source that supports cellular repair and enzymatic functions. 4. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggest that moderate chicken consumption in teenagers aids in muscle synthesis, improving overall metabolic health. 5. Adults benefit from chicken consumption as it provides lean protein without excessive saturated fats, thus reducing risks associated with cardiovascular diseases. 5. Clinical research in the British Journal of Nutrition confirms that substituting red meat with poultry lowers LDL cholesterol levels while maintaining adequate iron and zinc intake. 6. In older adults and the elderly, maintaining muscle mass becomes a challenge due to sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. 6. Research in the Journal of Gerontology emphasizes that consuming poultry as part of a balanced diet helps prevent frailty and improves mobility. 6. The presence of amino acids like leucine in chicken stimulates muscle protein synthesis, counteracting the degenerative effects of aging. 7. Pregnant women require heightened nutrition to support fetal development. 7. Chicken serves as an excellent source of choline, crucial for neural tube formation in developing embryos. 7. A study in the American Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology finds that expectant mothers who consume sufficient poultry-based proteins have reduced risks of birth defects and gestational complications. 8. The elderly also face increased risks of osteoporosis. 8. Chicken, rich in phosphorus and vitamin D, contributes significantly to bone mineral density. 8. Investigations in the Osteoporosis International Journal highlight that poultry protein intake correlates with lower fracture incidences in postmenopausal women. 9. Immune function is another critical area influenced by chicken consumption. 9. The presence of zinc and selenium in poultry meat boosts immune responses, as documented in the Journal of Immunology. 9. The effect is particularly notable in individuals with compromised immunity, such as those recovering from illnesses or undergoing chemotherapy. 10. The gut microbiome, an emerging field of nutritional research, is positively impacted by poultry consumption when coupled with a balanced diet. 10. A study in the Gut Microbiome Journal reveals that moderate chicken intake supports beneficial bacterial populations, enhancing digestion and reducing inflammatory bowel conditions. 11. Cooking methods significantly alter the nutritional value of chicken. 11. Studies in the Journal of Food Science confirm that grilling or baking retains most micronutrients, whereas deep frying leads to lipid oxidation, increasing trans fat content and potential cardiovascular risks. 12. Antibiotics and growth hormones in commercial poultry farming have been subjects of intense debate. 12. Research in environmental health perspectives indicates that antibiotic residues in chicken meat can contribute to antibiotic resistance in humans. 12. Regulatory bodies such as the FDA and WHO advocate for stringent control measures to mitigate these risks. 13. Organic versus conventionally raised chickens show notable nutritional differences. 13. Studies in food chemistry demonstrate that organic chickens exhibit higher omega-3 fatty acid concentrations and lower saturated fats, making them a preferable choice for individuals prioritizing heart health. 14. The psychological impact of poultry consumption has also been examined. 14. Tryptophan, an amino acid present in chicken, plays a role in serotonin production, influencing mood regulation. 14. Research in the Journal of Neuroscience suggests that regular consumption of tryptophan-rich foods like chicken can help mitigate symptoms of mild depression and anxiety. 15. Chicken byproducts, including collagen-rich bones and liver, hold significant health benefits. 15. The bioavailability of collagen in chicken broth has been explored in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, showing positive effects on skin elasticity and joint health in aging individuals. 16. The environmental impact of poultry farming is a critical area of study. 16. Compared to beef and pork, chicken production requires less land and emits lower greenhouse gases, as evidenced by reports from the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. 16. However, concerns over water usage and feed conversion ratios remain. 17. Ethical considerations in poultry farming have led to advancements in humane rearing practices. 17. Cage-free and free-range systems are being promoted as healthier alternatives with better animal welfare implications. 17. Research in the Animal Welfare Journal highlights that chickens raised in stress-free environments have superior meat quality and nutrient retention. 18. Chicken consumption in various cultural diets showcases its versatility. 18. Epidemiological studies in the Journal of Ethnic Foods suggest that Mediterranean and Asian diets incorporating chicken alongside whole grains and vegetables exhibit lower chronic disease prevalence compared to Western fast food-heavy diets. 19. The influence of chicken on weight management has been substantiated in the International Journal of Obesity. 19. High-protein diets featuring lean chicken improve satiety, reduce overall caloric intake, and enhance metabolic rate, making it a valuable component in obesity management plans. 20. Food safety concerns related to chicken consumption, such as Salmonella and Campylobacter infections, have been extensively documented. 20. Research in the Journal of Food Protection stresses the importance of proper cooking temperatures and hygiene practices to minimize health risks. 21. Summary and conclusion. Scientific studies overwhelmingly support the role of chicken in enhancing human health across different age groups. 21. From infancy to old age, its high biological value proteins, essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals contribute to growth, muscle maintenance, immune function, and disease prevention. 21. However, factors such as preparation methods, antibiotic residues, ethical farming practices, and food safety considerations must be taken into account to maximize its benefits. 21. Moving forward, sustainable poultry production and consumer education will play a crucial role in ensuring that chicken remains a safe, nutritious, and environmentally responsible food source for global populations.